Haven't updated, but things are going good here. This is now the Wednesday. We have 5 of the 6 walls poured, and yeah, doing well. I hope that you guys are doing good. Sorry, I thought somebody was talking to me, but they wasn't. I'm trying to vlog a little bit more today. All right, boys and girls, it's lunchtime. I'm really frustrated right now because there should be a lot more shit to do, but it's not. But at least I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I got. We got beautiful Miss Shelby packed me a very nutritious salad. This is why it looks so good. So I got a wife that prepares my meals. Nice chicken salad with tomatoes, and also have tuna. That's for later, with some nice jalapeno chips, some nuts, protein bar, and let's see what's in here. Forgot what I had in here. 1 second, guys. Oh, we got some fruit, some more fruit, and I got a nice vitamin water drink, and some ranch dressing with some more fruit. So we're doing pretty good. The walls are going good. Everybody's going out for lunch, and I'm gonna hurry up and eat so I can fly my drone. Let's get it. What's good, YouTube? It's been a minute. Haven't uploaded in a while, but I'm here. We're about almost halfway done on the majority of these walls on this barn. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm eating today. Shout out to Miss Shelby for this delicious sweet salmon with rice, veggies, peppers. You guys can see, eating like a feast right now. Also got some tuna just in case I'm still hungry. But the grind don't stop, man. As you can see, that wall is getting up there. I'll be putting that drone out and giving you guys some more footage. All right, yes, sir. What's good, YouTube? I promise you guys I'm not hurt. I'm just a spoiled baby. You know, I live too good. My life is too good. So, got this little neck pillow. So I don't really do too much with my neck. When I turn my neck, I can just like, you know what I'm saying? I can just like, you know, like relax and chill. Everything's been going good. We're almost at the halfway point on 2 of the walls. I gotta get the drone up here in a minute. Just finished having a nice sandwich. Shout out to my wife. And a cool part, I got a cool story for you guys. So last night, I was playing poker. I had 2 dragon beers. And I was tired, man. It was a long day, and I passed out. I told my wife, whenever I pass out on that iPad, wake me up, right? She didn't wake me up, though. She finished the tournament, and she actually won it. So, shout out to Mrs. Blaze. She actually won a poker tournament, her first one. You know, I carried her to like 8 people left, and she just finished it off. She's never really played poker. She just watched me and heard me talk about the game, and she's learned the game just being my wife. Like, just, I'd say being nosy. Yeah, she was being nosy, man. Picking up all my strats, you know, sponging all my strategies and stuff. And yeah, she used all of that and whooped some poor soul heads up. And I don't want to be that guy, because you got whooped by somebody that don't even know how to play. That's wild. But she a player now. I'm not sure if she's going to start her own account or what, but she a player now, and that's a proud moment as her husband. But at the end of the day, we're going home a little early today. I am in overtime hours. I think I put in about 46, 47 hours right now of hard work in the sun, hot work. This is my environment. Right now, I'm having lunch on the pump truck. That's the wall. You can see we all the way down there. Got my lunch. These annoying flies, man. These flies, bro. It's just so annoying. That's a cornfield that goes about 10 miles that way. I was flying my drone over it, and I was pretty nervous, because you don't want the drone to drop down in that corn. It's over. But at the end of the day, man, shout out to y'all. I appreciate y'all. Hopefully y'all appreciate the drone footage that I have of the building of this pig barn. It's the biggest concrete job I've ever worked on in my life. So I definitely want to document this every single day and show you guys what's going on. But it's time to get the drone in the air. It's time to go pilot Blaze. Go on. What's good, YouTube? It's been a minute, man. I ain't gonna lie. I haven't been vlogging, pulling out my camera at all. My phone was full. Like, all the data in my phone maxed out at like 244. So I had to, you know, upgrade my cloud and move all my content into the cloud, and then optimize my phone and bring down the storage. So that's done. I got more storage now to vlog. I'm about a week away, about 10 or 11 days away from being back to the eats. But yeah, man, it's going good here at work. We're almost at the halfway point to this pig barn. We put in some serious work here, guys, and I'm pretty tired. Raining today, a little bit rainy out here, gloomy. The weather ain't too nice, so I don't have the drone today. I'm not trying to, you know, risk my drone getting wet or flying into something that's not safe. So it's at home, but hopefully I'll do an update video in a couple days. You guys can see we started down there and we're all the way there. So we're at the halfway point. I'm gonna just hop in the truck now, enjoy some lunch, bang out some food. My wife took care of me, made sure my lunch and stuff is packed. Look at this shit, guys. It's like clay, man. Straight clay. Yeah, man. We banging out. Get some food, grub it up.